Got a new iPhone? Quick Start makes data transfer easy for iOS 12.4 and above. But if iPhone transfer not working happens, check out this video to find out why and how to fix it. Part 1. iPhone migration not working? Why? Poor network conditions. The greater physical distance between mobile phones, outmoded iOS or system glitches, low battery on your iPhones, Bluetooth is disabled, not enough storage space on the destination iPhone. Part 2. How to fix iPhone transfer not working with 10 tips. Tip 1. Ensure iPhones are within the same Wi-Fi network. To troubleshoot iPhone to iPhone transfer not working, please first be sure to keep both devices within the same Wi-Fi network by checking from iPhone's Settings Wi-Fi. Tip 2. Reset network settings on iPhones. A strong network is essential for successful data transfer. To fix issues, reset network settings. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap General Reset. Reset network settings. Tip 3. Turn on Bluetooth on both iDevices. To troubleshoot iPhone data transfer issues, enable Bluetooth. It helps improve the connection, even though it doesn't transfer files directly. Access it via Control Center or Settings. Tip 4. Keep iPhones in close vicinity. For quick start migration, keep the devices close and unobstructed to avoid transfer issues. Tip 5. Restart source iPhone. Reboot the source iPhone if no prompt appears, devices don't recognize each other, data fails to transfer. Tip 6. Charge two iPhones. Charging both iPhones before migration can prevent transfer errors, according to Apple forum tests. Tip 7. Insert SIM card into the sending device. Without a SIM card, an iPhone may not activate or transfer data properly. Ensure a SIM card is inserted before restarting. Tip 8. Create a wired connection. Power the camera adapter via Lightning. Connect to the source iPhone. Link the USB cable to the destination iPhone and adapter. Follow wireless steps. Tip 9. Update iOS to the latest version. Ensure Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Tip 10. Migrate data to new iPhone with transfer for mobile. If iPhone migration fails, try Mobican transfer for mobile WinMac. It transfers data smoothly. Just select data types and click to transfer. Step 1. Run the software on a computer. Step 2. Check the positions of both iPhones. Step 3. Perform iPhone migration smoothly.